Hello, my name is Nikki Huey. Today I'll be playing for you the retail audio sample of The Adventure of April and Melissa.
April and Melissa were best friends forever. It was the last weekend of summer, and they were very happy because their families finally went on a camping trip together. Each girl had a mom and a dad, and Melissa had a beagle named Odie. April's parents had a blue tent, Melissa's parents had an orange tent. April, Melissa, and Odie all shared Melissa's red tent. The woods and the wildlife were all around them. They couldn't see the other families camping in the park. They couldn't even hear them.
The Adventure of April and Melissa is available as an ebook, paperback book, or audiobook on iTunes, Amazon.com, or Audible.com. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.